The PMO in your company has detailed process to be followed for various projects depending on their size. For your project size, they have listed an exhaustive documentation to be covered. How should you handle this situation as a Scrum Master? For your project size, they have listed an exhaustive documentation. Okay. A. Work with the PMO to develop processes for agile projects with minimal documentation. I would say now in this particular question, the question says that for your size, they have listed exhaustive documentation, but in reality on agile projects, it's not necessary that you would really need to do exhaustive documentation, because there is a saying in agile that just good enough documentation should be done. So you can actually check with the PMO team to understand whether it's a compliance requirement. If it's a compliance requirement, then yes, of course, you have to make exhaustive documentation. But if it's not a regulatory or compliance requirement, then you really don't need to create that exhaustive documentation. So I would say the best part would be that you talk to the PMO, and there is a PMO, in the question also. So to understand, so A looks like a correct choice, but let's see. B, work with the team to identify process through which detailed documentation can be met. I would say yes, you can do that, but once again, won't you think that you would like to talk to the PMO first whether it's a regulatory or compliance requirement? If they say no, it is not, then you really don't need to make those exhaustive documentation. C, add a story to the backlog for documentation and let PO prioritize it. Yes, that's the correct statement. You will want PA to prioritize that, but once again, first you need to figure out whether it's really needed or not, and then you take a call. D, create minimal documentation as needed by the project. So again, I would say it's better first to clarify with PMO than just taking a decision of creating minimal documentation. So D is out as well. So out of all the choices, A is the better choice.